This initial solution will show you how to block emails on Gmail on iPhone. There are many legitimate reasons to block an email sender. Maybe they're a pesky scammer. They keep sending you irrelevant press releases, or they're an old acquaintance you just don't want to deal with anymore. So now let's see how can you block an email. In the case of Gmail, the best way of blocking a sender using your iPhone is to download Gmail from the App Store. You can also use Safari to access the desktop version, but in the case of Gmail, that won't work from a mobile device. To block a sender in Gmail for iOS, download Gmail for free from the App Store and launch it. And log in. Find an email from the sender that you would like to block and tap it. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the message and tap on block. You don't have to use the Gmail app to browse your email, but it might be worth keeping it around if you frequently need to block a sender on your mobile device. So this is how we can block emails on Gmail on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.